Tired of watering your plants? There's an AI for that. Let's face it, we all love the idea of being surrounded by lush, vibrant plants. They bring life and beauty to our homes and gardens, but keeping up with their watering needs can feel like a chore, especially for those of us with busy schedules. Wouldn't it be wonderful if there was a simple, affordable solution to keep our plants perfectly hydrated, even when we're away? Well, now there is. AI-powered self-watering spikes are here to revolutionize the way we care for our plants. These ingenious little devices take the guesswork out of watering, ensuring your plants receive just the right amount of moisture every time. No more overwatering or underwatering, just happy, healthy plants thriving under your care. Introducing the future of plant care, self-watering spikes. Self-watering spikes are exactly what they sound like. Small, unobtrusive spikes that you insert into your plant pots to provide a consistent water supply. These aren't your average watering stakes, though. These innovative spikes are powered by AI, constantly monitoring your plant's needs and adjusting the water flow accordingly. And the best part, they're incredibly affordable. Typically costing less than a takeaway coffee, they're also incredibly easy to use. Simply fill a standard plastic bottle with water, attach it to the spike, and insert the spike into the soil of your plant pot. The AI takes care of the rest, ensuring your plant receives the optimal amount of water. Simple yet effective. How these spikes keep your plants hydrated. You might be wondering, how do these AI-powered spikes actually work? It's remarkably simple yet effective. Each spike is equipped with a tiny sensor that constantly monitors the moisture levels in the soil. This information is then relayed to the AI, which determines the precise amount of water your plant needs. The magic happens at the control valve. Based on the data received from the sensor, the AI automatically adjusts the flow of water through the spike. If the soil is dry, the valve opens wider, allowing more water to flow to the roots. As the soil becomes moist, the valve gradually closes, preventing overwatering. Section 4, the perks of AI-powered hydration. Why you'll love these spikes. The benefits of using AI-powered self-watering spikes are plentiful. First and foremost, they offer unparalleled convenience. Imagine going on holiday without having to worry about finding someone to water your plants. With these spikes, you can relax and enjoy your time away, knowing your plants are in good hands, or rather spikes. Secondly, they're incredibly budget-friendly. These spikes eliminate the need for expensive self-watering pots or complicated irrigation systems. They're a small investment that can save you money in the long run by preventing overwatering and potentially costly plant replacements. Section 5. A few considerations addressing potential concerns. While AI-powered self-watering spikes offer a fantastic solution for many plant lovers, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, the water flow can sometimes be inconsistent, especially if you're using a bottle with a narrow neck. It's always a good idea to check the spikes periodically to ensure they're functioning properly. Secondly, not all bottle sizes are compatible with all spikes. Be sure to check the manufacturer's instructions to ensure you're using the correct bottle size for your chosen spikes. With a little care and attention, you can easily overcome these minor drawbacks and enjoy the many benefits of these innovative devices. Section 6. Perfect for every plant parent, from apartments to outdoor gardens. Whether you're a busy professional tending to a few houseplants in a small apartment or an avid gardener with a sprawling outdoor oasis, AI-powered self-watering spikes are a game changer. They're perfect for anyone who wants to simplify their plant care routine and ensure their leafy companions thrive. For apartment dwellers, these spikes offer a space-saving and mess-free way to keep plants hydrated without the need for bulky watering cans or drip trays. For outdoor gardeners, they provide a targeted and efficient way to water individual plants, reducing water waste and promoting healthy growth. Section 7. Ready to grow with confidence? Give these spikes a try. AI-powered self-watering spikes are a testament to the incredible advancements in technology and their ability to simplify our lives, even when it comes to something as simple as watering plants. They offer a convenient, affordable, and effective solution for plant lovers of all levels of experience. So why not give your plants the gift of consistent hydration and yourself the gift of peace of mind? Try AI-powered self-watering spikes today and discover a world where plant care is a joy, not a chore. Click the link below to order yours and support my work.